The main thing on the open houses is creating opportunities for agents in terms of their preparation for the open house, right? Leveraging tools such as MortgageCoach, right? To have, payment scenarios, the vision casting, right? Of what it would look like later. Potentially you can have that on a MortgageCoach, but having, payment scenario flyers that's been in place for a very long time, just getting them done, getting them out to your realtors, believe it or not, that's helpful. Having presentations for them on how to get people to sign buyer broker agreements. It's really important. What does the homebuyer journey look like? Do you have something that is a visual aid that you can provide to realtors so that when a customer comes in, they can share that here's the homebuyer journey. Here's what it would look like if you bought this house, but this may not be the house for you. These are what we would look at, and here's my strategy on how I find homes either through the MLS or outside of the MLS to serve your needs, right? So having both visual aids that help them convey their overall value proposition, right? But also having scripts on how they leverage the visual aid. And you have a call and you prep and you just do a little role play, right? You play the agent and say, hey, this script has been proven to work, right? What do you think? And a lot of times they're like, wow, this is great. I really appreciate it, right? And again, at the end of the day, guys, realtors just want to know that you care, right? Like another great thing to do with realtors right now is talking about, what you can do to help them finish the year strong in Q4 and how to set them up for success in 2025.